Here I have LENOVO Tab 4 LTE, and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be simply the calendar. Let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down simultaneously these two keys just for about 2 seconds. Let me show you. As you can see, just capture this screen. Let me show you again. Let's hold down together, power key and volume down for about 2 seconds, and you just save the following screen. You can also use the other method of taking screenshots. Let's use the upper bar twice and choose screenshot. Here you can edit this screenshot, or you can tap save right here. Let me show you again. Use upper bar twice, tap screenshot. Here you can, for example, write something right here, or you can tap save here. That's it. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you need to find the screenshot folder. You can simply have access to this by using the upper bar and tapping screenshot captured, or you may also accomplish that by using the apps icon and by finding and selecting the photos right here. Let me just keep off my backup in my case. Choose albums. Under albums, let's tap screenshot album, and here you've got your screenshots. Now you can share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.